All right, everybody, here we are together again at last. I missed you. I really did. All right, look. Here we go. It is Tuesday, September 29th, 2020. It's going to be a big day. Well, tomorrow is going to be even bigger, but we'll talk about that in a moment. So let's talk about this. Right now, as I am doing this video blog, stocks are poised for a flat open for the most part. Nothing major going on there. However, we got some action in the bond market, which I don't like. 10-year yield is lower, but the dollar is lower as well. So again, compensatory mechanism here. Despite that 10-year yield being in a danger zone, in my view, the dollar being lower here kind of offsets that a little bit. Okay, let's talk about a few other assets here. You got cryptocurrencies down across the board, not by much. Gold and silver catching a bid here, not by much. You got crude oil lower, and that's kind of where we stand. I mean, the market's waiting for this debate tonight. That's the truth. The market is waiting for this debate tonight, and that is going to move this market tomorrow. Which direction? I have no idea. I really don't. It could drop substantially. It could rise substantially. Whatever it is, we're going to, just deal with it as traders, as investors in this market. And if the market drops tomorrow, I'm just giving you a heads up here. I will probably add to all of my current positions here for my Lions that want to know what I am doing. So we'll see. We'll just see how that plays out. We'll see how today plays out. I think today is going to be another one of those volatile days. We're starting out flat. Who knows what this crazy market's going to do here. All right, we got some bad economic news yet again. And I hate to hear this, and I'm sure you do too. The trade gap here continues to widen. We are in so much trouble in America with regard to these trade wars that are going on here. Debts, deficits exploding with no end in sight. None. Zero. I cannot stand the lie anymore of a recovery, a V-shaped recovery, super V. We're not recovering from anything. Sure, the stock market's doing great, but the middle class, which is the real economy, is so on the losing end of this. It's not even funny anymore. It's taken on a completely new pathway into utter, complete destruction. That's what this is all about. And so don't be surprised, again, when you hear things like the trade gap widening or debts and deficits exploding, you should have expected it, because I've explained this to you since time immemorial. There is a war on right now, and it is getting much worse on the middle class. And that's it. They're going extinct. Extinct. Very shortly, there will not be a middle class anymore. And that's sadly the way it's going to play out here. Unfortunately, but that's the way it goes. Now, sit down and relax. Don't get all, triggered here. But Goldman Sachs just put out a statement. I mean, look, I know that a lot of these guys personally, I know them personally who work at these big banks, so I wouldn't be surprised to hear them say things that I parrot, okay? They parrot me, basically. They're saying that a Biden win will be positive for the S&P 500. Duh. 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 I mean, anyone can see this coming from a mile away. If Biden pulls off a win here, expect stocks to rip higher faster. They're still going to go higher under Trump if he wins, but they'll go higher faster under Biden. It's just so simple to understand. More debt than we got now. So is that good for the middle class? No, but it's great for the stock market. It's great for the stock market. But that, look, that's the way it is. To me, honestly, in this environment, it's all about the market. It's all about the bucks. Everything else right now is conversation. I don't personally give a damn which creature, and that's what they both are. Trump is a creature of the highest order. Biden is a creature of the highest order. Why do you think we have these two things right now running for president? Why? because they're going to benefit the middle class, which is being systematically destroyed by design? No, because these creatures, both of them, I don't care what comes out of their mouths, they work for Wall Street. They work for the Wall Street banks. They work for the Federal Reserve. They don't work for you. Once you understand that, and you realize it's all theater. It's all theater. Period. And they got to keep you polarized, and that's how they win. Can't beat me, because I don't give a damn who wins. I really don't. They're both freaks of the highest order. All right, look, so in summary here, stocks at least right now, trading doesn't start for a half an hour. Flat across the board, cryptocurrency slightly down, gold and silver catching a bid, crude slightly lower, 10-year yield lower, dollar lower. Okay, so looks like pretty flat right now going into tomorrow. This debate tonight is going to move this market. There's no doubt about it. Bad economic news, no surprise to you. We are in free fall. The United States is in dire shape. Dire shape right now. And anyone trying to convince you otherwise is trying to sell you something. And I think you understand what I'm talking about. All right, look, that's it. People, I'll keep you updated. You know that. Follow me on Twitter. If nothing else, I'll do a blow-by-blow throughout the day. Subscribe to my free newsletter. There is a link in the description of this video. Take advantage of the stuff I have available for you on my website here, traderschoice.net. It's all free, all right? And if you're not taking advantage of it, you're losing out in a big way. Anyway, that's it. Love you a lot. Please share the video. See you in the morning.